A short history of YouTube. Imagine life without YouTube, the world's largest video sharing platform. It's hard to believe, isn't it? YouTube has become the go-to place for streaming videos, learning new skills, watching tutorials, and catching up on entertainment. Whether you're searching for funny viral videos and DIY tutorials, or music videos, YouTube has something for everyone. This video dives deep into the history of YouTube, covering its origins, key milestones, and its impact on the world. If you're a fan of video streaming platforms or wondering how YouTube became the giant it is today, keep reading. How it all began. The story of YouTube begins in February 2005. 3 ex-PayPal employees, Steve Chen, Chad Hurley, and Jawed Karim, wanted a simple way to share videos online. Back then, uploading or sharing videos on the internet was cumbersome, and no dedicated platform existed to solve this problem. Their vision led to the creation of YouTube.com, which was officially launched on February 14, 2005. The founders described it as the ultimate platform for video sharing. The first video ever uploaded, the first ever YouTube video titled Me at the Zoo, was uploaded by co-founder Jawed Karim on April 23, 2005. This 18-second clip featured Karim standing in front of elephants at the San Diego Zoo. While it wasn't a polished production, this simple video marked the beginning of a revolution in online video content. Did you know? Me at the Zoo now has millions of views and is considered a piece of internet history. Early features of YouTube. When YouTube launched, its design was straightforward, but it had unique features that set it apart. Video embedding users could easily share YouTube videos on websites and blogs. 2. User accounts. People could create profiles, upload videos, and interact with others. 3. Community-driven content. It encouraged everyday users to upload videos, creating a vast library of diverse content. By the end of 2005, YouTube had become a popular video streaming website, attracting millions of users. Google buys YouTube. In November 2006 Valken, tech giant Google acquired YouTube for $1.65 billion in stock. At the time, this was one of Google's biggest investments, signaling its confidence in the future of online video. The acquisition gave YouTube access to Google's vast resources, improving the platform's infrastructure and capabilities. It also allowed YouTube to integrate with Google Ads, laying the foundation for monetizing videos. The rise of viral videos. The late 2000s saw the rise of viral videos that made YouTube a household name. Some of the most iconic viral videos included Charlie Bit My Finger, a hilarious clip of a baby biting his brother's finger. Numa Numa, a quirky lip-sync video. David After Dentist, a funny moment captured after a child's dental procedure. These videos proved that anyone could become famous on YouTube, creating a platform for user-generated viral content. YouTube Partner Program. YouTube introduced the Todo Dao Partner Program, YPP. In 2007, a game-changing feature that allowed creators to earn money from their videos. This was achieved through advertisements placed on videos. With YPP, YouTube went from being a video-sharing platform to a content creator economy. People began building careers as YouTubers, earning money through ad revenue, sponsorships, and brand deals. YouTube expands. As YouTube grew, it introduced several new features to enhance the user experience. 1. High-definition videos. In 2008, YouTube introduced HD, allowing users to upload and watch better quality content. 2. Live. In 2011, live streaming became possible, paving the way for real-time events. 3. YouTube Premium. In 2015, YouTube launched an ad-free subscription service. 4th. YouTube TV. By 2017, YouTube began offering a live television streaming service. Each of these updates transformed YouTube into more than just a video sharing site. It became a comprehensive entertainment hub. Challenges and controversies. Like any major platform, YouTube faced its share of challenges. Copyright issues. In its early days, users frequently uploaded copyrighted material, leading to lawsuits. Adpocalypse. Controversial videos caused advertisers to pull back, impacting creators' income. Content moderation. Balancing free expression with community guidelines has always been a challenge. Despite these issues, YouTube continues to adapt, introducing tools like Content ID to resolve copyright disputes and improve moderation. YouTube today. Fast forward to 2025, and YouTube has over 2.5 billion active users. Globally, it's available in more than 100 countries and supports 80+ languages. Over 500 hours of video content are uploaded every minute. Whether you're looking for educational videos, win and gaming streams, or music playlists, YouTube remains the most diverse and user-friendly platform in the world. The future of YouTube. As technology evolves, so does YouTube. Some upcoming trends include virtual reality, VR, videos. Immersive experiences are becoming increasingly popular. Artificial intelligence AI. AI is improving video recommendations and content creation. Creator tools. YouTube is constantly rolling out new features to support creators. The platform is expected to grow even further, solidifying its place as the world's largest video streaming and sharing service. Conclusion. From a small idea in 2005 to a global phenomenon in 2025, YouTube's journey is nothing short of extraordinary. It has transformed how we consume, create, and share videos online. Whether you're a viewer looking for entertainment or a creator building your career, YouTube continues to be the heart of the online video industry. If this matey video about YouTube's history sparked your interest, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more engaging content.